Alright guys, what is up? We're back here at American Dream today with John. What's up, man?
What's up?
So anyways, today we're not recording a traditional vlog. We're actually going to be recording a update for Sandy's Blasting Bronco, a prototype intimate coaster. So I'm pretty excited to see what's going on with Sandy, because if you remember in the last video, we actually got footage of it testing, which was really cool. And hopefully we get some more testing footage today. Last time there was no zero car on it, so I'm wondering if the zero car is there again. But overall, it's gonna be a pretty interesting video. We're just gonna be showing off everything you need to know about probably when Sandy's Blasting Bronco is gonna open, showing off what they're doing with the ride right now, and pretty much anything like that. So anyways, we'll see you guys once you get right into the park. Alright guys, so here we are. We're on site for Sandy's Blasting Bronco, a brand new intimate coaster here at Nickelodeon Universe. So the first update since last time we were here is you can see that the zero car is on the front of the train. So that's pretty cool how they got the zero car back. And other than that, they haven't started testing it really, not yet at least. Hopefully they do start testing it later on. Now, for an opening date for this ride, apparently it's supposed to open sometime in March. I'm pretty sure the water park is going to open relatively soon, but for Sandy's Blasting Bronco, probably by the end of March. And what are these idiots doing? Yeah, they wanted this to be the thumbnail, by the way. It wasn't going to be the thumbnail. But, yeah, also, here's the sign for the ride. I cannot wait for this ride to open. It's going to be really good once it does open. But, yeah, we're just going to ignore them. But that's really it for now. The ride is probably... I remember that at East Coaster, they did say that they were trying to get it open relatively soon, sometime in early to late spring. So... hopefully March, latest will probably be April for when this ride opens. Alright guys, here's a look at Sandy's queue line over here. So you can see that there's two little paper slips here saying that Sandy's still building her invention. It's kind of cool how they made something like that just to say, because the ride is still under maintenance, as you can see, and it should open relatively soon, hopefully in March. But if not, I'd say April, probably the latest for when this ride will in fact open. But that's a queue line over there, and then it's just, the ride does launch forwards and backwards if you haven't seen a POV. But yeah, you can see here's the transfer track here. This is where the train goes when it's not on the actual main part of the track. And I'm just really looking forward to this, because it really reminds me of Gale Force from Playland's Castaway Cove. It's like Intamin's take on that, maybe like a Intamin's take on the Skyrocket 2, something like that. You can see they have the LSM launch here, and it does have a really sick looking lighting package as well, and I'll show more during the nighttime, but that's really it for now. We'll see, hopefully, something to happen with Air over there. I doubt the ride's testing though, unfortunately, but once the ride does start in fact testing, I will have it on video to show you guys, so look forward to that if it does in fact start testing. Alright guys, we're on the other side of Sandy right now, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but right over there where the train is, they do have maintenance workers trying to get the ride open as soon as possible. Now, hopefully they could get the ride open sometime in March, like I said. I think that's what they said during East Coaster. They want to get it open sometime during March, April at the latest. And yeah, I just really want this ride to open. It's going to be awesome. But that's just really good news that we do have people on site working on the ride. Anthony's over there. What is the clown doing? He just said he dipped. Anyways though, but yeah, it's gonna be really good once this ride opens, and I'm just so glad that they do have people working on the ride, because it's gonna be really cool. I'm just really looking forward to this ride. But anyway, that's it for now. We'll see you guys once we are heading out. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video here at American Dream. Hope you guys enjoyed the update for Sandy's Blasting Bronco. Hopefully it opens soon. And I'm just so excited to get another intimate coaster into my credit count, because that ride just looks like so much fun. And hopefully, I don't know if it's going to beat Gale Force or not, but it possibly could. John, what do you think about Sandy's Blasting Bronco?
I'm not gonna go on it personally.
Chicken shit.
But, alright, well, fuck yourself. I don't know.
There's some kid just okay guys. Oh my god. Some kid just ran into a wall. That's fun. Oh my god. Some kid just what? Wait. I'm confused. Alright, anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.